In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the code execution cannot proceed because edgegdi.dll was not found. First thing, you're going to click on this PC, click on C, go down, go to Windows. Down here, you want to scroll and find SYS Wow 64. Click on it. Now you want to scroll all the way down. As you can see, there's plenty of DLL folders. Just copy any one of them. I'll copy this one, for example, and then I'll paste it here. Click continue. And this copy, what we want to do is rename it. So we will rename it edgegdi. So click here and click continue. Okay. And as you can see, now we have this folder. Now you can try and restart your computer, and hopefully this will fix your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.